As you can see, the chrome coating in my group head cover is starting to peel off. I think my Sylvia is either model V3 or V4 depending on whether you refer to the lower right number on the product label or the serial number. Please leave a comment if you know the best way to determine the model of a Rancilio Silvia. You have to remove screw number 1 and screw number 2, which holds the group head cover. Sorry I could not film this part, but you just have to loosen screw number 3 and screw number 4. This project is more than an upgrade on the looks of my machine, but it's also a safety issue. You don't want this chrome coating going into your coffee. I got this replacement cover through Amazon. I'll share the link in the description below. For lack of a better description, I'm calling this the claw nuts. Just lightly sand the edges for ease in attaching the nuts on the stems. Just be careful when pushing it to avoid breaking the plastic stems. This is where screw number 1 and screw number 2 will connect to. You might be wondering why we loosened 4 screws but only 2 are actually connected to the cover. Screws 3 and 4 are there to tighten this plate, which will grab onto the lip of the cover.